Welcome to Best Choice. The best dog gifts is probably one of the most exciting categories of presents for children, blending the joy of pets with the thrill of receiving a special surprise, and finding that perfect item that sparks imagination and brings smiles is our mission today as we dive into a curated selection designed to delight every young animal lover. Number 5. Meland Doctor Kit for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, a comprehensive pretend play set designed for aspiring young medical professionals. It includes everything they need to step into the role of a doctor or nurse. This kit features a variety of realistic medical tools, including a stethoscope, thermometer, and even a cute toy dog to care for. It also comes with a doctor's coat and hat for the full experience. Help your child become familiar with medical tools and procedures in a fun, playful way. This toy can help ease any anxieties they might have about visiting the real doctor. Through role-playing, children can develop their creativity, communication skills, and empathy as they care for their patients. It's a wonderful way to build their confidence. This doctor kit makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's perfect for children aged 3 to 8 who dream of a future in medicine. What we like. If your child dreams of becoming a doctor or veterinarian, this is the perfect gift. It allows them to engage in imaginative role-play, using realistic tools to care for their toys, including a fluffy dog. This set is excellent for easing any anxieties about real doctor visits by familiarizing them with medical procedures in a fun, playful way. Choose this if you're looking for an educational toy that fosters empathy and confidence. What people say. It comes with so many pieces, like the stethoscope, thermometer, and other tools, which makes the play feel more realistic and fun. The quality is great for a kid's toy, and it's held up really well with lots of play. This came with so many pieces and different tools. Plus the stuffed dog included is a total bonus outside of playing vet with. Some of the tools even light up. Number 4. Cute Dog Puppy Nightlight for Kids. Introducing our adorable puppy Nightlight, designed especially for kids. It's more than just a light, it's a cuddly companion for bedtime. With 16 vibrant colors to choose from, this light can create a magical atmosphere in any room. Kids can pick their favorite color to match their mood. It offers 2 brightness levels, perfect for a soft, comforting glow at night. This ensures a peaceful sleep without being too dark or too bright. Made from super soft, safe silicone, it's perfect for little hands to hold and squeeze. It's designed to be a safe and comforting presence all night long. Set the built-in 30 or 60-minute timer for a gentle transition to sleep. It will automatically turn off, saving energy and ensuring uninterrupted rest. This light is rechargeable and cordless, making it easy to take anywhere. It's perfect for sleepovers, travel, or just moving around the house. Looking for a unique gift? This cute puppy Nightlight is an ideal present for birthdays or any occasion, sure to bring smiles and sweet dreams. What we like. For a comforting and customizable bedtime experience, this adorable puppy Nightlight is ideal. Its soft silicone material is safe to hug, and the 16 color options can soothe and entertain. The easy tap control makes it simple for kids to operate, and the built-in timer adds convenience for parents. If you want a cute, interactive, and safe light to help your child feel secure at night, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The soft silicone is kid-safe and squeezable, and the 16 color options make bedtime fun and soothing. It's dimmable and rechargeable, so no messy batteries to worry about, and it provides just the right amount of light for a nursery or bedroom. You can choose white light, brighter white light, a rotation of colors, or you can choose one specific color. There's also a timer on the bottom. Number 3. Purple Ladybug Prismic 3D Bear Puzzle Nightlight. Are you looking for a hands-on challenge? This advanced 3D puzzle Nightlight offers a captivating build experience with a stunning glowing payoff. It includes all the components you need for a complete light-up display. Once completed, it creates a dazzling holographic glow. This makes it perfect for mood lighting, shelf display, or enhancing your bedroom ambience. This craft encourages spatial reasoning, fine motor skills, and perseverance. It's a perfect activity for those seeking an artistic yet structured STEM experience. While the build is complex, we've made it easier with full-color step-by-step instructions. A QR code also links to an easy-to-follow video tutorial for guided assembly. This makes an ideal gift for puzzle lovers and design-oriented crafters. It's a great surprise for various occasions, including Easter, Christmas, or Valentine's Day. What we like. This is a unique gift for the creative child who loves a challenge. It combines a fun 3D puzzle with a DIY craft project, resulting in a mesmerizing light-up bear. The process encourages spatial reasoning and fine motor skills, making it a great STEM activity. If you're looking for a gift that offers a rewarding building experience and a beautiful decorative piece for their room, this is an excellent option for older kids and teens. What people say. It's lovely to look at, and for a long while. Very tranquil, like watching fish. It truly looks better than the pictures portray. It's made of a strong plastic material but semi-flexible and sturdy enough to take some minor beating. The color of the material is stunning. It's a kaleidoscope of soft opalescent colors that blend into a harmonious whole. And with the lights on the inside mixed with the angled construction, it really makes a unique masterpiece. Number 2. SUMFAN Keepsake Dog Necklace. Introducing a beautiful keepsake necklace, designed to hold your most precious memories close to your heart. It's a perfect way to honor a beloved companion. This exquisite piece is crafted especially for devoted dog lovers. It's a symbol of a unique bond shared with our furry friends. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This necklace makes a wonderful present for anyone who adores dogs, celebrating their passion. It serves as a touching memorial gift, offering comfort and a way to keep the memory of a cherished dog alive. Specifically designed for girls, this necklace combines elegance with sentiment. It's a stylish accessory that carries deep meaning. Celebrate the unconditional love and joy that dogs bring into our lives. This keepsake is a constant reminder of that special connection. What we like. If you're searching for a heartfelt gift for a dog lover, this keepsake necklace is a wonderful choice. It's perfect for someone who cherishes their canine companions or wants to keep the memory of a beloved pet close. This personalized item serves as a beautiful reminder of the special bonds shared with a dog. Consider this if you want to give a meaningful and lasting present that celebrates their love for dogs. What people say. This is a great gift for kids who love dogs. The dog is very realistic and soft. It comes with a cute little leash and collar. Number 1. Life Goal Pet All the Dogs T-shirt. Are you passionate about pups? This t-shirt is designed for those whose ultimate life goal involves all the dogs. Show off your love for canine companions with this comfortable and stylish tee. Looking for the perfect addition to your casual wardrobe? This shirt celebrates your dedication to dogs in a fun and unique way. It's the ideal gift for any dog enthusiast. If your dreams are filled with furry friends, this is the shirt for you. It perfectly captures the sentiment of wanting to be surrounded by dogs. Wear it proudly and let everyone know your priorities. Struggling to find a gift for the dog lover in your life? Look no further. This t-shirt is a thoughtful and practical present that any dog owner will adore. It's a gift that keeps on giving. This apparel is a tribute to the joy that dogs bring into our lives. It's more than just a t-shirt, it's a statement of your love for all things dog. Get yours today and wear your passion. What we like. This t-shirt is a fun and simple way for any dog enthusiast to express their love for all things canine. It's perfect for casual wear, whether they're out and about or relaxing at home. The playful message makes it a great conversation starter among fellow dog lovers. If you're looking for an easy, everyday gift that clearly states their passion for petting dogs, this graphic tee is a winner. What people say. Loved the design and the shirt used was very good quality. Not super thick, but not see-through thin as is so often the case. Design was sharply defined, nicely added to shirt. Style of shirt is fitted, but not skimpy in length. The material is soft, but durable. The color, size and fit are exactly as described. The writing has stood up to washes without fading and flaking. The sizing is slightly larger than an average t-shirt, so it works great as a part of a relaxed routine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.